Molweni ladies, Molweni Bokote. My name is Balu, and today I just decided to share my way of putting together a head wrap, or what they call a Xhosa head Doek or head wrap. It took me a while for me to start taking these videos. A lot of people I know have been begging me to start just showing Ogote how you do it, or maybe the easiest way possible in putting together a Doek, because it is a challenge to some of us as Omagote on how to dress up or put together this kind of a Doek or any other Doek in general. So in this year of 2025, I will be trying to put together videos and uploading them on social media, where ladies can look and look at my step-by-step way of wearing a Doek. And basically what you need is the actual Doek and pins. Sometimes you might need like a smaller Doek that you can wear under just to give protection and grip for the Doek that you're going to be putting on top, to basically hold on in cases of people having short hair, or in a case where you just want your Doek to have volume. Then you can put or wear a smaller Doek under before you put the main one on top. So if you notice there's nothing much that I'm doing in this video. This for me, it is easier. I don't know, but to some people it is a challenge, but for me it's easy. As you can see there, I'm just putting this Doek from one side to another, putting a tie pin and protecting it, and then taking another side and putting it on the opposite direction and putting a pin. And then whatever there is left of this Doek at the back, you just try and put it in any way possible that is looking presentable, and just put a pin on top. So I hope you enjoy these videos that I'll be making as from now going forward. Yeah, just enjoy the video. Never mind me singing, because I always do that, but nonetheless, yeah, please enjoy these videos. I will be uploading more of them, so enjoy.